Hi everyone, in this short video I just want to take you through a few of the techniques and tips that I've learned when producing watercolor illustrations for children's books. First of all, using masking fluid is a big help. It enables you to cover larger areas with color while not interrupting the flow of paint around smaller objects. Getting the right tones when doing skin colors can be difficult. In this case, I've used a combination of cadmium yellow, burnt sienna and cadmium red. However, you can use any shade of these colors to get similar results. The masking fluid I've applied on the little butterflies at the beginning allows me, as I said earlier, to do a wash over the whole sky without having to paint around each butterfly individually. You can see that I've removed the masking fluid from the butterflies, which leaves a nice clean image to paint. Children tend to love bright colors, so it's important to remember that when illustrating for them. At the same time, keep in mind the harmony of your colors. Too many bright colors can actually be a bit ridiculous, even for children. I find it a good idea to use a piece of paper under my hand as I paint. This avoids the artwork becoming smudged from the movements of your hand. Some people like to use gloves, whichever you prefer. Another good tip is simply allowing the white of the paper to show through rather than using white paint, if you can help it. This is what I've done with the daisies in this piece. Also, a good thing to remember when choosing your paper is that the whiter the paper, the better for printing. Off-white paper makes it slightly more difficult to reproduce if you're planning on making prints or creating a book with your artwork. I'll go through some of these options in a future video. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.